Hey, welcome to Stacy Stuff. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to have another unboxing video because I got home and I had Amazon stuff here and ready to be unboxed. So it's time for a gratuitous knife opening, and we will open up these Amazon packages and see what we got here. This first one. All right. Well, technically this is to my wife, but I guess we can just use the tear tab. Where is it? Sorry, I had wrapper in my mouth. White box. It is a generic white box. What is boxing within unboxing? 2 times the fun. All right, let's see. I don't even know what this is. Oh, yeah, I think. What is this? Miniature fences. No, I'm told that these are soap holders for my Dr. Squatch. Not affiliated, but you know what? Great stuff. So here we have some soap holders for my soap, because previously I just been using liquid body wash. Awesome. Thank you, honey. Thank you for the soap holders. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, let's see. Sorry that I was filming strange things while I was opening this box, but here we go. All right, in we go. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I guess this whole shipment today is shower-related things, because I needed some things because my Dr. Squatch is very slippery, and it makes the shower very slippery. So I got some, what do they call these things?
Grab bars?
Grab bars. Yeah, I got some grab bars to install in my shower. Awesome sauce. What is this? Allergy medicine, because it's allergy season. Oh, look. It needs to also be opened, but I know what it is. Excuse me while I open these. Here, I'm going to pass you over to my crew. It is travel size sunscreen, because Mrs. Schimbeck and I are going on a cruise and we need to take some sunscreen. Right, honey?
Yes.
What else is in here? I don't even know what D-Manos is. Never mind.
If you know, you know.
What is this? Sepia.
Sepia.
Sepia? Sepia? I don't think I ordered this. Unless this is my earphones. Yeah, it is.
I was reading today that the airline provides you with your earphones.
I got a good pair of earphones for the airplane. Sepia earphones. All right. And this last box is Propel Power, because every morning I get up and I have some simple greens with a Propel in it and a scoop of protein powder. That's my breakfast. Oh, I should open it. Propel. I see that this box of Propel has the best flavor in it of all the Propels. It has grape, because grape is the best flavor. So there we go. Propel. Thank you for watching Stacy Stuff. And if you like this video, make sure that you share it and hit thumbs up and like and all the things, because I'm trying to grow my audience. And if you think that you like watching my videos, then tell people about it and subscribe, because that's the way to do it, right? Alrighty, well, we'll see you and have a good day.